Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about what is the difference between hydrographics and automotive painting. We get a lot of questions about that, and so we wanted to show you guys a few things on the similarities as well as the differences in the two different coatings. And so the first thing to keep in mind is that the hydrographics is actually an automotive paint job. And so if done correctly, the hydrographics would actually still take the exact same coating as an automotive paint job, where you're going to have your primer, your base coat, and your clear coat. The only difference is that you're going to have an extra step, which will include the hydrographics itself. And so that's what makes the hydrographics very unique, is because with the automotive painting, you can do stencils, you can do custom work, you can do blends and fades and all of that, but it's more just solid colors, versus with the hydrographics, you get an unlimited amount of patterns that you can choose from and almost an unlimited amount of colors to put underneath it. So the possibilities are pretty much endless on using hydrographics with the paint itself. What you'll see in front of me here is I've got two different cups. Now, we have done both of these cups, but of course one of them is dipped and one of them is painted. Now, the very unique thing about this is that the prep work is pretty much the exact same. We have either blasted or scuffed the surface of the part itself. We have primered it, we have shot a base coat over it, but in this case, this is where it starts to become a little bit different, because in this case, we just shot a black over it, and then we applied the clear coat over the black to have that protective finish. Now, on this one, we actually may have used either a white or a tan or something like that. So a little bit different base coat, but it still has another clear coat applied over the top of it. Now, of course, this one is a flat clear, so you're going to have that flat finish like this compared to a gloss finish like this. Now, the nice thing about it is that both of these offer really great scratch resistance, durability, longevity, everything like that, but you get a very unique look with the hydrographics compared to just the paint alone, where it's just a solid color or possibly a fade or something like that. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that whenever you're doing the hydrographics process, there are specific paints that are made for the hydrographics. So you definitely want to make sure, if you're starting to do the hydrographics or you're wanting to get into it, not all paints are going to be fully compatible with the hydrographics. And so that's where it starts to deviate into a different coating, is because you are using that specific paint made for that hydrographics coating. And then, of course, you're using the correct base coat that's needed to make the print look the best that it needs to look. And then, of course, after that, everything is shot with the automotive clear coat, and then it is protected, ready to go for a long-lasting, durable finish. So one of the great things about the hydrographics is that you can use this coating and pretty much make it the exact same as a car's exterior finish. So whatever you would do to a car's exterior finish, you can pretty much do to the coating that you're putting on. So it's going to be a very durable coating for wheels, for interior pieces, for outside pieces that will be out in the sun, things like that. And so as long as you're using the right materials for whatever job that you have, whether it be an outside job, inside job, you need more scratch resistance, you need a flat finish, you need a gloss finish, all of those are definitely possible with the hydrographics, and that's what makes it a really unique coating, because you're getting the durability and longevity of an automotive finish, as well as you're getting the look of the hydrographics for the coating itself. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd always love to hear from you, as well as let me know your thoughts. Did you actually know that the hydrographics was pretty much just an automotive paint job, or did you think that it was something different? Always love to hear from you guys on those comments like that. Also, if you're looking to get into the hydrographics industry, you can check out the links in the website. The website has everything that you're going to need to get started in the hydrographics, from your paints to clear coats to even training and materials. It is all there on the website, so definitely check that out. We're going to have links in the description below. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.